Tensions have been high between India and Pakistan recently, and your phone might be the next victim. With just one click on the wrong file, you could get hacked. Yes, after the terror attack in Pahalgam, India has faced over 15 lakh cyber attacks. Just imagine at least 1.5 million attempts to break into government websites, airports, and public systems. But unfortunately, only 150 of these attacks were successful according to Maharashtra Cyber Division, and the perpetrators have been identified. The department has revealed that 7 advanced persistent threat groups have been behind these attacks. In a report called Road of Sindoor, Maharashtra Cyber traced these attacks back to powerful hacker groups based in Pakistan, also from regions like Bangladesh and the Middle East. And Dance of the Hillary is the newest malware in this wave of cyber attacks. Pakistan-based are using it to target Indian users, and if you have ever come across this, keep watching this video to know how to protect yourself. This is a dangerous virus disguised as normal videos or documents. You might see it as a file on WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, or email with names like task.exe. Harmless at first glance, once you click, it can steal your data, passwords, and even take control of your device. Other than this, APT36, a Pakistan-linked espionage group that goes by the name Transparent Tribe, also poses a threat. According to a report by cybersecurity company Cloud SEK Study, APT36 has targeted Indian government and defense networks with Crimson RAT, a NAT-based remote access Trojan, by taking advantage of the emotional fallout from the Pahalgam terror attack. The malware is distributed by phishing emails that pose as official reports and include malicious PowerPoint and PDF attachments. These attacks use emotionally charged baits and spoof domains to obtain credentials and steal sensitive data. So what can you do to protect yourself? Don't click on random links or download unknown files. Avoid opening documents that claim to be from the government unless you're 100% sure they're legitimate. Use antivirus software and keep it updated. Turn on two-factor authentication and scan your devices regularly. The Maharashtra government is taking note of this, and cyber teams are on high alert. Maharashtra CM Devendra Fadnavis recently chaired a high-level security review meeting where cybersecurity and information warfare were discussed. CM Fadnavis also instructed police cyber cells in each district to intensively monitor social media for content aiding hostile interests or spreading misinformation. All in all, it's important to keep yourself updated with these cyber crimes and follow these simple steps to protect yourselves in the digital space. For more such updates, stay tuned to NDTV Profit.